good. Okay, okay. We are live. How is everybody doing? Hi, Roger. You caught me. That's good. How are you? How are you? How's everything? Anybody take any trades yet? Making back already. I see. Yeah. I know. I feel bad like having a trade when I go live because, I don't want to be like taking a trade when you guys don't see me taking a trade, but like this trade is still letting me run a little bit. So like, okay, let's see what happens. I should take a screenshot, I guess, for that. Have you traded in? Good morning. How are you? I'm driving home here. You are early. I am early today because I want to do my public service. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's just to do my public service to get more followers on TikTok, and that's why I'm doing early. That's it. Yes, that's good. Yeah. So you get no rush, no rush. You still have like a good 40 minutes. So drive and then no rush. Yeah. We have to be very careful. Okay. Yes. That's why I was sending the morning to you. I will. We are so 4 hours. We are so oversold. We oversold, yes. Already. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you can send me the chart too if you when you get home. I'll look at the chart too. Yeah. Wait a minute. I will send you. Yeah, but if you're driving, don't worry about it. I don't want you to like worry about if you like driving. I can handle this. You're so sweet. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Gold BTC signals are talking. Good morning. Elite Blades, is that what it is, right? Laba de dices Porvas Sargis. Good morning. Bigger ramen. Good morning. So, thank everyone for following me. Appreciate it. I am so close to my goal, you guys. You guys get to see I'm really close. Good morning, Tom Tom. Let me make sure I have it all. Oh, that Laura, good morning. Yes, 1 year. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, Laura, like also I put in the stock chat, you'll see like how Palantir reacted. Just take a glance at it. I did tag everyone, so you should be able to see the chart. And then I want you just for the study purpose to see how it reacted and how it hit the levels. Yeah. Big ramen is which trade are you in, my friend? I'm in the short, which is a little bit more dangerous trade right now because we oversold, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm looking at another chart that R sent it to me. Let's see. Okay. So you have it at, okay. Oh, which pair? M and Q. Yes, so it's M and Q. I'm trading M and Q. Yeah, I think, okay, I sent you chart R2. I think what you're seeing for me, it's like 2,900. So let me send you my chart, which will be the blue line. Is the same? Is it the same as mine, a blue line? You see the same thing? Wait, I will watch it. Okay. Good morning, Melissa. Laura, you looked at it. That's good. Yeah. So, Ima, I think your someone's microphone is on. Is it Ima?
Oh, it's me.
Oh, it's you. Guys. Good morning. I was like, someone is, which is good. I'm okay, you guys. I like when you guys talk. It makes it easier for me. Yeah, Big Ramen, thank you so much. It was rejection like right over here, so all you guys cannot see. You only see this chart. We have a couple more charts open, but on 5 minutes it was rejection and I got confirmation, so I'm just taking a little piece of pie before the market opens. All right. So I am doing my public service and we're just gonna laugh about it because, hello, this is the comment. I hope you're doing well. I am doing really well, thank you. I'm a student who is currently experiencing financial hardship. I'm sorry you're going through that. And if you're a student, that means you're going to school, you should be out of your financial situation soon because you could find a job, right? And then if you're a student, that the school should give you some internship options too. Yeah, Melissa, this is what it was. It's just manipulation because you saw the levels, I saw the levels. Like I always say, we all see the same levels. So they did the short squeeze, and that's what they do. They just do that. So I would need to put my, I'm gonna put it here, the point of control. Okay, which most likely gonna kick me out, but you guys knowing that no one, like my saying that no one goes broke by taking profit, right? No, when you say I swear to God, like it's not really a good thing to swear to, but definitely I believe you and I have struggled too. I came to this country with no English and no money. I worked many jobs. I worked overnights with the baby in my hands. So yes, struggle makes you stronger. So in a way, you have to be resilient, and in a way, right? In a way, I'm sorry you're going through it, but you know how trees become very strong? Why? Because they are being attacked over and over with a strong wind. They don't bend. So I'm sorry you're in a storm. I'm sorry you're struggling, but that's where resilience and a lot of strong people are made, are in the storm. And you guys agree with me? Yeah, I saw R. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Of course. We're here to support you. We only do positive things and we're here to support everybody. And I am sorry you're going through this. Staying together with a group, share your struggles, and we'll be there to hold you accountable. But you have to put in the work. I work 2, 3 jobs. Like I said, I went to school at night, and the area was such a bad area because I couldn't afford school. I couldn't afford school, so I had to go to my city adult education school, where in the same street there were prostitutes working. So I was putting myself in danger because I was going to night school. So yes, but yeah, so I'm sorry you're struggling. Okay, so you guys agree, I'm gonna secure a little bit more profit because it is 4 minutes away from top of the hour. Okay, so we see on the book map, the 400 order is gonna get grabbed. And that's exactly where we have our support as the green line right there. So Sabah Tech, are you still with us or you left us? Because this is not the answer you wanted to hear. Okay, so now we're going lower. I'm gonna secure a little bit more. All right. I'm just taking a screenshot for you guys to study, not to show off. You guys know I don't show off, we just study. Melissa, oh, good morning. Ellie is here. Ellie has been working really hard in the background, you guys. Yes, yeah, I got a little bit maybe lucky, maybe good calculations, maybe good entry. But Ellie has been working really hard in the background. She has something cooking for us. And yeah, really excited. She is a really hardworking girl. Yeah, see, Subtech, like there's a lot of people here want to help, and that's why like trading alone, it really sucks, and trading alone is really hard. But that's why I wanted to create community where we can help each other, support each other, even if it's just a shoulder that we can offer you to make you stronger. We don't want to say make you cry in it because we're here to help each other, support each other, make each other stronger. So, right? And there you go. See? Fowa05 is laughing, but you know, I never know if it's a scam or if it's a real thing because I get text messages. Send me $7.67. I'm like, sure. Yeah. So it is the top of the hour, 2 minutes. That is the same indicator from Willie Algo Trader. It's free. I'm not sure how to answer that, but I have this indicator that is done for me and my team person. I'll show it to you. Let's see if you guys see that? Kind of recreated the same indicator so you can claim this indicator for once you're part of the team. The winning team, you can claim this indicator. So it's a little bit different coloring, but it is available. You're having much trouble hearing, that's why I keep going in and out. It's okay. No, not you, Fubu, like 05. I think you are a good guy. I'm just saying, I was saying to the other person, the one that, which one was it? Sabo something. I think he left. Saba Tech. So, you are the good guy, but the other one says he needs help, he needs money, he's struggling. So that's what I was referring to. Your response was really nice and kind. I just want to make sure the Sabo, it's not, like a bot or a scammer. That's all. You are a good guy. We have a lot of good guys here. A lot of good morning with Lex group. There's some Lithuanian crowd in here. Yeah, I think our yours is a lot lower for the bigger picture. Because the level that you have is 27, basically 800. 27, 800, yeah, definitely like all the way, but it's just for like a bigger picture. All right, yes. Let me post that really quick. We put it on in queue, right? Okay. Load the file. Once again, this is just for the study purpose only. There you go. I see the queen. Good morning, everyone, the queen. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna move to that a little bit over 400, which I know I'm gonna get kicked out, and that's not everyone's favorite that I choke my stop losses too close, but I'm perfectly happy. No, I don't want to. Like I never want to get rid of you. You look at you're like you're helping me follow the stocks, you're helping me follow who reached the which levels and all that. So yeah, no, I never ever want to get rid of you. Ever. You stuck with me forever. How about that? Before you joined, I was saying that Ellie was working in the background really hard for the stocks. So yeah. I don't know. Ellie was having trouble with her connection issues here. She's out. So she goes in and out because of her connection. But me and her been working in the background for the stock. So there'll be more available things and different yeah. She says she has some trouble with her connection, so she's in and out. But so this week we're doing a practice, just me and her, and then okay. And I think whenever she's ready, maybe by next week or the week after. So we're practicing a couple things for her right now, but she's been doing really, really amazing jobs in the background for us. So yeah, exciting things coming. And the WeWalk video is being edited, but my IT guy started school yesterday. So hopefully by this weekend. He said he has only 7 minutes left of editing. Yeah, there you go. With Lex Group, I love this guy. He is really kind to me. Do you look at any popular stocks? I'm watching CLRO. Let me see, which one is that one? So it is, see, I did say that we're gonna come grab this. I know I'm gonna get kicked out and then we're gonna keep going, but it's okay. All right, so let's look at this stock that, oh wow, that's a penny stock. Yeah. Those, you guys have to have coconuts to do so. I don't have coconuts for penny stocks. I'm sorry. Good morning, Tom. So now usually the comments should go to tell me how horrible my stop loss was. So go ahead in the comments because that helps algorithms because you keep typing and commenting. You guys see, I'm gonna turn everything into positive. And there's nothing you guys can do about it. No, but when I started, so okay. So let's see, when your stock started, it started at $3.68, and the market cap is so it's 9 million. So it's going up, but before it went up, it was a penny stock. This is MNQ. Yeah. Yeah, no, I actually really see, I didn't even have to ask her. Like, he took over and he called out really, really beautiful short yesterday. That was, I don't, and you guys can have your notifications on each channel, but he called it out really good short yesterday. See, now I should get a backflash that I went over this because from here, for me, was a decision time. They're either going to take it back up or take my stop loss and continue going, which I expected that, but I'm perfectly okay with it. Yeah. You are on your way of being a billionaire, so. All right, so there's no more pressure. I have one trade under the belt. No, no backlash for my stop loss? Really? I was kind of ready for it. I was kind of ready for it. Hi, Lithuanian. How are your trades going this morning? Really good. We took a short. We have a screenshot. I could post it later on the story. I did post it to the team. Let me see what entry was that. I could give you the entry of the short. What was my entry? Let's see. All right, there goes the proof and the putty. 4A2. So 4A2, like right over here. Can you see it? Oh, right here. So that was my short. And I got kicked out of a discount over here because I wasn't sure if they're reversing or they're gonna keep going down. Good morning. Can you check if Dum Dum is up? Thanks. Okay. And what would you say is your favorite platform and account size? I hope that's not no, it's never. Especially on my team, like you guys know, I want to help you as much as possible. So percentage wise, 50K. Okay, long, like if you want your account to survive longer, then it's 150, but just a lot of work. The percentage wise to get a fastest payout, the way the rules are is 50. Okay, so that being said, so if you do 50 and you have $2,000 drawdown, and then you I know I got kicked out, but this is beautiful short. So the 50 gives you $2,000 drawdown to make 3,000, right? Versus the other accounts percentage wise, it's not as good as the 50. So with the 50 account, once you pass it, there's a couple ways to pass it. We talked about it. Like then if you trade small, your survival rate is higher. Where with 150, you can last longer going in small, but you have to work harder because you have to take more trades to meet the minimum requirement to take a payout. So nothing wrong to have both of them, right? So seldom I have both of them and I just trade them separately. Yeah, did that answer? So yes, we have a lot of yeah, no problem. So someone says in Lithuanian, he's like, wow, I never seen Lithuanian live. Yes, I even have Lithuanian people on my team that they call themselves Asia guy, but they are Lithuanian. I have an Asia guy in my group. And then I have this right here, one other person in here, also Lithuanian. So yeah, we have a lot of them actually, a lot more than I would expected. So this is a trading view. See, Led is another Lithuanian. This is a trading view. And you can connect your accounts. It depends what platform you have. If you have your life or whatever you have, you can connect it to TradingView. And then you can have your indicators. I'll show you to my Lithuanian people. I think you guys just joined. We have a person on our group that went and coded my indicator for the team. So it's very similar. We're all like these levels. So you can go and claim that too. So we have an indicator that you can claim that is different colors, but it is what I have basically, at least the levels. How could you communicate with me after this? I'll answer your email in a second. How so it depends, right? So if you're not a scammer, I'm sure there's a way you can reach me. As girls on putting ourselves on the internet, we have to be very, very careful. So if you're gonna convince me it's safe for me to talk to you, then it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Are you on 50K pop account? And always steer away from the question. The answer is, does it really matter? I took a beautiful trade. I took a short. And if I trade my personal, if I trade accounts, if as a person that has codes, I do have companies that I trade with, so it doesn't matter. I steer away from it. You don't see me taking 5 lots. You don't see me taking crazy sizes. You see me with a small size, so I'm sure you guys can figure it out. Okay. What broker like the one you are using that allows a dollar amount stop loss shown? I'm really sorry. Can you rephrase that question? That part. Thank you. Someone agreeing with me. Hey, so is it true that Lithuanian women need guys trying to book a trip? Yeah, they're very strong, independent, beautiful, and they will love you and the kids you're gonna have together. But if you piss her off, good luck. Okay. Going back to seriousness, do you also use 2 micros on your 150? Yes. So the best way I found it is 1 micro. And if I'm in trouble, then you can average it in. But I start with 1 micro. So you start with 1 micro, and then the 1 micro lets you like breathing room a little bit more. Okay. And then if you have to average it in, even when you're in a plus, you can always add. I think a better way would be like you can always add to your order if you're in a plus, and you can always average it in if you just started with 1 micro, especially once you're funded. So to me, it's a survival game with prop firms. And the only way to survive, I found it this way. Did that answer your question? All right. Good morning, Jess. Good morning, invest or trade options. Yeah. Okay. So, because you guys know I'm a math girl, so I've been calculating. I've been calculating. I've been doing. I have at least good 10 pages of running the prop firm calculations, what size to use on one account. So I'm just giving you a summary. And I know you do pay attention. So instead of me sending you those pages, yeah. Puska, we have a lot of Lithuanians here on TikTok too. Yeah. Yeah, I think like, with Lady saying like labai faina matyti moterį dar lietuvę, ačiū. Yeah. So it's a lot of pressure in a way where I get comments that like, how could you are you profitable? I said, well, I don't know, you tell me. And they'd be like, how could you be profitable if you're a woman? Yeah. We get a lot of interesting comments, but we call this my public service. I feel like I have to give back, and I call out good traits on here and try to teach people on here too. So that's my public service. Yeah. Yeah. And then we go, to do with the winning team. That's what we call it. The team came up with their own name, which is a winning team. Yeah. So Big Vitas and Lady, do you guys see each other? You guys can see each other, follow each other, help talk with each other. Good life and very nice girl. Thank you. Like Kathy, what brokerage do you use? So you are from Croatia. So the problem with American and Croatian one, it could be a problem, but I use Thinkorswim. And TradingView would connect you with a lot of things. We connect you with your charts and your brokerage. And Ellie, yes, because I'm a woman, I will get backflash that I'm making money. So before I get off TikTok, I will show you my tray because you guys know I take my receipts. Let me make this a little bit smaller and then there you go. Alrighty, so this is a screenshot of a tray. One more aplinkos tvarkymas. Wait, how many? Like 4 now? Lithuanians? 5? That's like amazing. So this is my entry for TikTok people. Yes. Make sure you guys follow each other. Yeah, so the indicators, it's a fancy ones that I have here. So this is the entry. Okay, let me finish. This is the entry 484, 2 micros, and I got stopped out right over here. And it's still going, and I'm okay with it. Happy with it. The indicators are pretty fancy that I have. We have someone on the team. She's here also in the stream that you can claim it. And the levels are the same as mine. So if you join the team, you get to claim it, the indicators. All right. Yes, you have to be another Lithuanian. Like, are you guys crazy? That's awesome. Okay, you guys, we should make a group, a Lithuanian group. All right, any questions on what's the team? It's called a winning team, and it is a coded word because I'm not allowed to say certain things on TikTok, but you're smart enough to figure out where to find me. Any, yeah. How many Lithuanians do you guys have? That's awesome. Okay. Any questions on TikTok? My public service hours. I'm over 3 minutes of my public service hours. Any questions? Are we good? Well, another Lithuanian? You guys, this is insane. That's so awesome. I am in California. So I'm in California, but I am a Lithuanian girl. Oh my goodness, how many in the indicator? Okay, I will tell you in Lithuanian, so hopefully the bot's not gonna... What are we, at 10 right now? Nieko nekainuoja šitas, nes mano šitas kainuoja, bet kur mano mergaitė padarė, jinai suprogramavo pagal mane. Tai jeigu būsi mano grupiai, šitą gali nemokamai gauti. Ir man atrodo, 3 dienas mano grupė yra nemokamai, tai gali pasidaryti savo ten, pasimti šitą. Okay, everybody got that? All right, so my public service with TikTok is over. We are gonna go trade with my winning team. I cannot believe it. There's so many Lithuanians and I'm really, really happy. So I'll see you guys another day. I'm here pretty much every day. Pre-market. Okay, wait, okay, I'm waiting. I could wait. I need to go over the pre-market with my team. So I'm waiting. 3, 2, 1. Come on. I'm 5 minutes over my public service. Ant visų instrumentų veikia. Yeah. Visur veikia, negi veikia ant stocks, ant visur veikia. Yeah. What broker? So I'm with charge swaps and prop firms. Yeah, thank you, Vita. So there you go. So Lithuanian said it how it needs to be said. Perfect. All right, guys. I have responsibility to other people in my public service hours are done. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you all the Lithuanian people. That is amazing. I'll see you guys tomorrow.